Workshop for our chauffeurs of our own fleet, Best of Lanka Annual Driver Meetup 2025. Best of Lanka recently hosted its annual driver meetup, bringing together our very own chauffeurs who expertly navigate the company fleet. Over the course of 2 lively days, the team delved into Best of Lanka's vision, mission, and brand promise, exploring how to bring our values to life for every client. Using interactive sessions led by the CEO and our tour executives, the chauffeurs engaged in discussions and hands-on activities designed to strengthen their understanding and delivery of our signature service. This annual gathering not only reinforced the company's core principles but also celebrated the dedication of the chauffeurs who make every Sri Lankan journey unforgettable.